Yo, what is up, guys? It is Financial Pharaoh here, and the Options Al, and today we have got some crazy news for you guys.
Yep, we're talking all about the hottest stock out there. Not Panasonic, but Neo.
Neo,
Everyone's been talking about Neo, basically the Chinese Tesla. It's currently at how much per share?
49.25.
49.25 per share, right? And people are complaining basically that they're like not audited. But think about it, have you ever been audited?
I've never been audited.
No, most people have never been audited. That doesn't make your financial statements fake just because you haven't been audited.
I know.
Like, you don't need to audit
This
a
is
company.
just this is just beers in the market. We're gonna do a stock lingo at the end of the video about what a beer is, but this is just beers in the market, not understanding an opportunity right in front of their face.
They just don't get it. Like, Neo right now is getting what? In like, I think 2018, they had like $720 million in revenue. And it's just been going up for there. It's in the billions. So think about it. In 2018, if it was in the millions, 2019 in the billions, 2020, what's it going to be in?
The hundreds of billions.
The hundreds of billions, right?
I mean, maybe.
Maybe. We don't know that for sure, but it seems like it's going
This
that
is
way,
crazy.
you know?
I mean, this is just the most insane stock pick of 2020. Okay, because think about this, right? It's a growth stock. It's in a growth sector. We know EVs are growth stocks, right? But it's the growth stock in a growing economy. We all know America's not going to be relevant in 5, 20 years. This is the craziest opportunity of your life. This is a growth stock in a growing economy. Like, how often do you hear someone say that?
Barely ever. I mean, this is like investing in Coca-Cola in like the 30s, right? You could be Warren Buffett right now by investing in Neo.
I know.
Neo's
I know.
it's a home run stock. I know we said Panasonic is a home run stock, but Neo's as good of a home run as Panasonic.
I mean,
It probably
honestly,
won't have the growth that Panasonic has,
Yep.
because Panasonic isn't just a growth stock; it's an undervalued growth stock. So,
Exactly.
that's going to the moon time too.
I mean, I
But
think Neo's definitely got the next 3-4 years priced in the current price. But I mean, but beyond that, who knows?
beyond that, I mean, we're talking about a multi-trillion-dollar company, easy. It's backed by China, right? They're going to be selling cars everywhere.
Everywhere.
There's not a single European car maker that's making real EV cars. They're all terrible.
Yeah.
Like, look at the BMW i3. Thing looks like a smart car. Nobody wants to drive
I
that.
know.
Look at Neo's vehicles, dude. They're fire, man. They're fire. They're awesome.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
got everything going.
Exactly. And today, guys, we have a special guest. We found this stock. And look, we were gonna get the technical turtle in next week for Panasonic, but I think we're gonna have to bring him in for Neo. So welcome, first time on the channel ever, technical turtle.
Hey, what's up? Alright, I got some really interesting info for you guys on the technical level to break down for you real quick. If you actually look at the candlestick charts for the stock, you'll notice a significant triangle pattern that is developing. And the thing about triangle patterns is they can actually develop really quickly into a head and shoulder pattern. So you want to do a double top and bottom on that if you want to make a significant return on your investment. So I would go probably $48, but you really want to keep an eye on the rectangle pattern. That can change pretty significantly, so you want to keep an eye on that. The simple moving average is also could be unstable, but you really just want to go in and just like ride the storm, because this will really be a significant return.
I mean, option hours. The obvious question is this a stock that you can take advantage of with options? Is that an option?
I mean, there are some options on this. I mean, if you're going to play Neo, right, you're going to want to get in on, I would say you don't get puts at all. Puts are basically just a no bueno when it comes to Neo. All
Sure.
calls all day. You can pretty much buy any call on the board. You're going to make money on it.
Wow.
Any call, in my opinion. In my unprofessional opinion, Neo, any call on the board, you don't need to think about it. Just go, oh, that's a call. I'm buying it. You're going to get a return on it. This thing just keeps going up, and it's not going down. You
Absolutely,
even heard it from the
absolutely.
technical turtle. This thing is basically just bound to just continue to just jump and jump and jump.
I mean, next week we're gonna have to get the fundamental Fox on to talk about this stock. All right, guys, you heard it from us. I mean, Neo. I mean, I just can't believe more people are talking about this.
Yeah, people are sleeping on it. Like they slept on Panasonic. It's
Like
honestly crazy.
there's a lot of people sleep like I mean everyone knows Neo like in the if you're in the real channels where people are talking about stocks
Mm-hmm.
like you'll know about Neo, but in the mainstream media Neo's like basically unheard of. They're sleeping on Neo, and there's still tons of room to grow on Neo. I'd get in
There is a
now.
banquet waiting. There's a banquet waiting.
Yeah,
You
we're
guys heard it
feasting.
first. We heard it when they sleep, we eat. All
We
right,
eat.
that's it. Oracle
Drop it
investing.
on Neo, boys. Drop it on Neo.
Woo!